Hey guys, how's it going? It's little Kyle here, and today I'm showing you how to sort out texture loss, crashes, and stuff like that in FiveM. Now, all these solutions might not work. I had the solution for a while and I checked all YouTube videos and I could not find a solution that fixed it, but the solution that I'm going to show you at the end of the video is the one that I used. I don't know why I didn't think of it sooner, but I'll tell you why it took me that long just to do it. But the thing we're going to start off with is before you go on FiveM, if you already know you've got these issues, what you want to do is you don't open the file, so you want to go on you want to go search, and you want to open the run menu, which should be right here, this thing right here, and you type in app data. So app data should open. You go to local. You scroll down until you see FiveM. It should just be called a FiveM folder right here. Open it up, and you want to open application data, and it should be in the data folder, which is right here. I think, yeah, I've had no crashes since. So data, and what you want to delete is the cache, the server one, and the priv one. So these three you want to delete. You don't want to delete the storage ones. I mean, you can do, but you'd basically be restarting FiveM whole, installing it basically again. So you just want to do server cache and server cache and this cache. So once you've done that, we'll go to open FiveM. I'll catch you guys in a second. I'll get it all open into a server for us. Alright guys, I'm now in. Since I've figured out what my problem was with my GTA not loading, I have I've not loaded into this city since, so it might be a bit glitchy because it's got to render in everything basically. But what my problem used to be, right, is if it was stop marking, I'm not even clicking. This bank here, big bank down here, would never spawn in. It would be like texture loss, and then anywhere down this location, my game would always crash. So I had to figure out where to go. Let me see. To avoid them areas. So right here I am at the big bank right here. So this never used to. I'm gonna make sure it's actually fully spawning. It should be. This used to never spawn in, right? When I got to this area, it would just be like floor just starts disappearing. I'll go through the floor at some point. All these buildings would not be textured in properly. And then some servers, in some cases, I couldn't even join a server. Like, it would just not load in or anything. Like, it would just be a black screen or something. But down here, I'll get to the next bit where my game crashed. All right. So this bank coming up, as soon as I went past this bank coming up here, like a few meters up the road, my game would just crash. But I think now, yeah, it's completely fine. Anywhere around this area, my game would just completely come to a stop. And I had no idea what it was doing. I thought it was something to do with my PC, but my PC's got like the best, not best graphics card, about 30, it's a Ryzen 6700 XT. Alright, so that's equivalent to like a 3070 or something. And I got like a nice CPU and all that stuff. It's about £4,000 worth maybe. But yeah, they were the problems I was having, right? So what you can do is task manager. I mean, this never works for me, but I'm giving you all the solutions to make sure that it might help you. So so you want to put in task manager right here, and you want to go on FiveM, and the city you're playing, you want to be on the city first before it pops up, and you're going to go to details, and it should be highlighted here, the one that's the thing, and it's choosing up the most CPU, which goes up to about 8, so it'd be different for you, but you want to go on set priority and set it to high. But I don't really need to do this because it's never an issue at the minute, but it's for people that are having issues. So on that side of things, they might help. But I'm going to show you a few other solutions. So you'd want to go on your... This is the most common problem for people. You want to go on settings. and you want to go on graphics. So these graphics, this is how much memory you can use out of your graphics card is. Mine's quite a lot. I don't really use a lot though. So you want to have these two to the bottom. They're not needed. All right. Distance scaling you can have where you want. All right. Extended texture budget is the thing that makes it look that may not spawn things in properly. So most people suggest halfway, but I've got a bet if you got a good graphics card like me, you could probably put it up to the max. It doesn't matter, but for the solution, I'm gonna say halfway, guys. All right. You want this? If you change this to high, it eats a lot of this memory thing. So if you got a good graphics card, you can set it to high, but I keep it on normal. I could put it to high, but then it starts. I mean, I can do, but I don't want it. It burns like the GPU temp is already high as enough. Is it? It's not actually 68 degrees. If anyone wondering, it's this way it reads. It's fake. It doesn't. Sometimes it reads the correct temperature. Sometimes, but you go on advanced. Sorry about that woman in the background. Extended distance scaling eats quite a bit. I only turn it up by like 2. But if you don't want it, you can. It doesn't matter if you turn it down to 0, right? You want it full screen exclusive, keeps it the best running. If you're on Windows or something, it could cause a crash. And then hertz on what depends on what your monitor you want it to be, alright? So that's that. After that, only a few cities worked for me. Not all of them, just this server and another server that I played on. But I'm gonna show you what I did. Let me just disconnect from the city. This is what sorted out, right? So, right, this one didn't sort it out for me. I should not disconnect it there, to be fair. Right, this one didn't sort it out for me, but the next solution is uninstalling FiveM and reinstalling it. That may fix the issue, it may not. But the solution that fixed for me, okay, is to uninstall Grand Theft Auto and reinstall it. The reason why I never did this at first is because the game's 105 gigabytes, alright? But it only took an hour to download. I wasn't doing anything like that. I left it on, you know, but I never thought to delete GTA. I thought no files are corrupted in the scanner or whatever. So, but as soon as I deleted GTA, I got my PC put in with new parts and everything, scan updated to the max. Didn't work. So I thought, all right, so last solution I've got is to uninstall GTA and reinstall it. After I did that, it works perfectly now. I've not crashed. I've not. So I don't know why when I first installed GTA 5 I had them problems straight off the thing. So it may be a corrupted file or something. But after that, no problem. I've installed mods again. It's working fine. So I hope this video helped you guys. And if you want to know what city I'm playing on, it is Luna RP. I'll put in the description and I'll put a picture on the screen if I can get one. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope this helps you. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.